Possible Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? What if there was an app that could help you automate your savings, track your financial goals, and even make small investments, all while you live your daily life? Most people get this wrong, but in 2025, financial apps are no longer just about budgeting, they are about creating habits that build wealth over time. The surprising truth about Possible is that it promises all of this in one platform, but does it really deliver, or is it another app you should leave behind? Today, we are doing a full, honest review of Possible in 2025. You will learn exactly how it works, how much it costs, the features that stand out, who benefits the most, who might want to skip it, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. By the end, you will know whether Possible deserves a place on your phone or if it's better left alone. Stay with me, because near the end, you'll reveal the one hidden feature that can change how you manage money every single day. Let's start with the basics. Possible is a personal finance app designed to help users save, invest, and manage their money automatically. It combines budgeting, goal tracking, micro-investing, and automated savings rules into a single platform. The core idea is to make financial wellness effortless and intuitive, so you don't have to think about it constantly. Unlike traditional banks or simple budgeting apps, Possible focuses on behavior-driven savings. That means it encourages you to set small, achievable goals and then automates much of the work needed to reach them. Now, let's talk about how Possible actually works. After downloading the app and creating an account, you connect your bank accounts and cards. Possible securely accesses your account information to track spending, income, and patterns. This allows the app to make personalized suggestions about where you can save and how to allocate funds toward your goals. Next, you create your financial goals. These can be short-term, like saving for a new laptop, or long-term, like building an emergency fund or investing for retirement. Each goal can have its own rules for how money is allocated and how fast you want to reach it. Here's where automation comes in. Possible lets you set up automatic transfers based on rules you define. For example, you can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference into savings. You can set aside a fixed amount every week, or save extra when you spend less than your budget in a category. Some rules even allow you to save based on triggers like receiving a paycheck or paying bills. The surprising truth is that most people underestimate how quickly small, consistent transfers can add up. Even saving just a few dollars a day can become hundreds or even thousands of dollars over a year. Now let's talk about investing. Possible allows micro-investing directly within the app. You can choose from low-risk, moderate-risk, or higher-risk portfolios. Your spare change, rounded-up savings, or scheduled contributions can automatically go into these investments. Over time, this can accelerate your wealth building, even if the individual contributions seem small at first. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Possible automatically categorizes your spending based on your connected accounts. You can see how much you spend on groceries, subscriptions, entertainment, and more. You can set budget limits and track progress in real time. This visibility makes it easier to spot leaks in your spending and redirect money toward your goals. Now, let's talk about cost. In 2025, Possible is typically free to download with basic features. Premium tiers unlock advanced automation, goal planning, higher investment options, and financial coaching. Premium subscriptions are usually a few dollars per month, which may seem small, but it's important to weigh whether the added features are worth the cost for your situation. Here's where most people get it wrong. They focus on the subscription price without considering the value of the savings and investment potential the app can generate automatically. If Possible helps you save hundreds of dollars you otherwise wouldn't, it can easily pay for itself. Now let's talk about security. Possible uses bank-level encryption to protect your data. Your login credentials are never stored on the app's servers, and the app complies with all relevant financial regulations. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection for your account. Now let's talk about who benefits the most. Possible is ideal for people who struggle with manual budgeting or saving. If you've ever tried to save money manually and failed because life got busy, this app is for you. It's also great for beginners who want to dip their toes into investing without dealing with complex brokerage accounts. People who like to see visual progress, track multiple goals, and automate as much as possible will find Possible especially appealing. Now let's talk about who might want to skip it. If you are already disciplined with budgeting and have established savings and investment routines, Possible may be redundant. Also, if you prefer managing your investments directly through a brokerage to access advanced trading options, the app might feel limited. And if you are uncomfortable connecting your bank accounts to third-party apps, this might not be the right fit. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Meet Alex. Alex is a 28-year-old freelancer who struggles to save consistently. By setting up automatic rounding and small weekly transfers, Alex managed to save $1,200 in a year without even noticing. On top of that, small investments through the app grew steadily, giving Alex confidence and a sense of financial security. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Many users fail because they do not regularly check the app or adjust their rules. Life changes, and your spending patterns change too. If your goals or rules are too aggressive or unrealistic, you may get frustrated and abandon the app. Consistency and realistic planning are key to seeing real results. Now let's talk about unique features. Possible includes goal tracking with milestones, visual progress charts, automatic alerts, and reminders. Some premium tiers offer personalized coaching and financial tips, which can accelerate financial literacy and progress. These features make saving and investing less abstract and more tangible. Now let's talk about long-term potential. Using Possible consistently can help build a financial cushion, teach better money habits, and even grow wealth through micro-investing. While it is not a replacement for comprehensive financial planning or professional advice, it can be an excellent supplement for daily financial management. Now let's talk about the user interface. The app is clean, intuitive, and designed to minimize friction. You can set up new goals in minutes, see your progress at a glance, and adjust automation rules easily. Many users report that the app feels motivating and gamifies saving in a subtle, non-distracting way. Now let's answer the big question. Is Possible worth it in 2025? If you struggle with saving or want a simple way to automate investments and track financial goals, yes, the app can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time with minimal effort. If you already have advanced financial systems, it may not offer enough new value. Here is the surprising truth. The app is only as powerful as your consistency. Even small contributions, if maintained regularly, compound into significant financial progress over time. So let me ask you something. Would you rather your money sit idly in your account or quietly grow while you live your life? If this review helped you understand Possible, make sure to like this video so more people can discover tools that simplify money management. Subscribe for more honest app reviews, financial tips, and step-by-step guides. And comment below, would you use Possible to automate your savings and investing? Your financial goals might be closer than you think.